When taking Acidophilus Probiotic, it is important to follow the directions on the product package. Depending on the specific product you are using, the dose may need to be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If you are using the liquid form, be sure to carefully measure the dose using a special measuring device/spoon. It's also important to note that some probiotic products contain live bacteria, such as bifidobacteria. If you are taking antibiotics, it's best to take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics. Be sure to follow the specific directions for your product. If you are using this product to help with diarrhea due to antibiotics, do not continue use if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days, unless directed by your doctor. In these cases, you may have a serious problem that requires medical treatment. If your condition persists or worsens, or if you believe you may have a serious medical problem, it is important to seek medical help right away. If you experience increased stomach gas or bloating, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to tell your doctor right away if you experience any serious side effects, such as signs of infection like a persistent cough, high fever, or chills. While a serious allergic reaction to this product is rare, seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, swelling of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. Remember that this is not a complete list of side effects, so if you notice any other effects, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. As for the best time to take Acidophilus Probiotic, it's recommended to take it with a meal, and the daily dosage can vary depending on the specific product or your doctor's recommendations. Be sure to follow the instructions on the packaging or consult with your healthcare provider for the best dosage and timing for you. Before taking Acidophilus Probiotic, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, as this product may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. If you have certain health conditions, such as diarrhea lasting more than 2 days, a weakened immune system, recurring vaginal infections, or recurring urinary tract infections, make sure to consult your healthcare provider before using this product. Additionally, if you have diabetes, phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to limit or avoid sugar and/or aspartame, be cautious when using liquid products, foods, powders, or chewable tablets containing Acidophilus Probiotic. It's best to ask your doctor or pharmacist for advice on using this product safely. Before undergoing surgery, be sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, only use Acidophilus Probiotic if it is clearly needed. It's essential to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. And if you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this product, as it is unknown if it passes into breast milk. It's important to be aware that Acidophilus Probiotic may interact with certain medications, potentially affecting how they work or increasing the risk of side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some medications that may interact with certain probiotics include antibiotics, antifungals, such as clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, nystatin. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new medication or supplement regimen. As for the daily dosage, it is recommended to follow the instructions on the product label or as directed by your healthcare provider. It's best to take Acidophilus Probiotic with a meal, as this can help with absorption. Remember to consult your doctor or pharmacist if you have any concerns about potential interactions with other medications. If someone has taken too much Acidophilus Probiotic and experiences severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, they should call 911 immediately. Otherwise, they can contact a poison control center for further assistance. In the U.S., residents can call 1-800-222-1222 for their local poison control center, and in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. Make sure to keep up with all your medical appointments and any necessary lab tests. In addition to Acidophilus Probiotic, some brands may also include other ingredients like fiber or inulin. If you're unsure about the ingredients in your brand, be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist for clarification. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing Acidophilus Probiotic, it's important to check the product package for specific storage instructions. Some may need to be refrigerated while others should not. If you're unsure, it's best to ask your pharmacist for guidance. And as with all medications, be sure to keep them out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to discarding the product, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. Instead, properly dispose of it when it is expired or no longer needed. Your pharmacist or local waste disposal company can provide guidance on the proper way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.